Hi again, I'm Diederik, and today we get you started with your GD&T Inspect suite. In this Getting Started video, I'll be showing you how to perform quick GD&T in GD&T Inspect suite. Like always, feel free to pause at any point to follow along, and there's some chapter segments if you wish to skip ahead. Let's get started. To show you how we can perform quick GD&T in GD&T Inspect suite, I already prepared this project. I already imported my CAD file and my scan data, and as you can see here in the top right corner, I already did a pre-alignment, this global best fit, which is enough for me to start showing you some GD&T inspection. I'll make my mesh invisible and close my properties so I can maximize the view right here in the middle. I'll show you a few different features. We'll do some flatness inspections on 3 planes at the top. I'll create a datum feature so that we can check perpendicularity of 2 of these cones that I see here below. Let's do them one by one. To perform the GD&T inspection, I could use here the quick GD&T creation menu. I can create datum systems and any type of GD&T inspection I want to do. Let's start with some flatness. When I select flatness just with Control, I can click on my first plane of interest right here, my second plane as well, and my third plane. So with just 3 clicks, I inspected the flatness. I see whether these parts are in tolerance or not. In this case, they're all good to go. The second thing I would like to inspect is perpendicularity of these 2 cones here in the middle. Before I can do this, I need a datum feature. Datum features, I find them here under this quick creation button as well. I'll just need an easy datum feature existing out of this base plane. Let's give it a name. I'll call it A. And there we go. Create and close. Once I have my datum feature, I can select perpendicularity of the 2 cones here in the middle, this one, and of course I do the same for the second cone. So there we go. A few more clicks and I've inspected not only the flatness of these 3 top planes, but I've also inspected the perpendicularity of these 2 cones towards datum feature A1. Let me show you something more. When I would select the flatness inspections from these 3 planes, instead of just giving this number, I'm interested to see more. What is causing these numbers? Is there any issues with these planes? In the properties, here on the right hand side, I can change the template from checks to ISO 3D. Let's look what happens. If I now make these visible exclusively, and next to this I also show my mesh, I have a nice color representation of this flatness deviation. Very clearly I can see here on the left hand side, but also on the right hand side, there are sync marks. So these colors, they're not showing deviation to CAD file, they're showing the deviation of this flatness calculation. I can even place deviation labels on them if I want to, highlighting these blue areas which I see in my flatness inspection. We showed you some quick GD&T creation, how to make these flatness inspection, and even show the color representation of this GD&T flatness check. I created a datum feature, perpendicularity of our 2 cones in the middle, and I'm good to go. So if you experience anything different from what you've seen here, if you have questions or issues with your GD&T Inspect suite, reach out to us via support@handsonmetrology.com. For more getting started information, check out the other videos as well. Thanks for watching. See you next time.